Seems like you're going for a skydiving.
Is this like serious or what?
It's 1-2 and it's bagay. It says. This is 900. This is 1200. Give Mary a cuddle because Mary is going home. Oh, Paris is going to miss you, Mary.
Yeah.
See, tell Mary you're gonna miss her.
I'm gonna miss you.
Are you going to miss Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you when we come to Melbourne, okay? Come on, say how about Tassie? Tassie, give her a cuddle. Aww. Good morning, Ate Paris.
Good morning.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
To a channel.
Yeah.
And I go ready.
Yeah. Where are you going?
School.
She's going to school, guys. You know what? It's her last day today. You have fun, okay?
Okay. I'll eat some food.
All right.
I'll eat carrot.
Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss.
I'll eat that later.
Yeah, okay. Give your friends big cuddles today, okay?
Okay.
Alright. It's Ate Paris' last day sa kanyang school today. So, yeah, it's a bit sad for her kasi last time na niyang makikita yung mga kaibigan niya dito. Kasi we're moving to Brisbane na nga, and then, you know, obviously she's going to a new school, and yeah, she'll find new friends, even though ngayon sinasabi niya na, I don't want to go to a new school, mommy. But I know, pagdating namin doon, you know, she's just a kid. So, I think it's just perfect timing, perfect age na mag-move kami kasi, you know, pagpunta niya ng kindergarten, yung mga kasama niya sa kindergarten, yun yung makakasama niya sa primary school. Ganun, so she'll build the friendship talaga and bond. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Westfield in Doncaster. Hey, Daddy.
Hello.
Daddy looks very handsome. Agree din siya, guys. Daw ating baby sila ay here. There. So, Ate Paris natin ay dinap sa school, and then kami lang nandito kasi we are doing some shopping. Sana, oh. Nandito na kami sa loob, guys. Sobrang social ng aking mask ko, Louis Vuitton, bongga. Alam niyo, galing siya sa Pinas ba? May binili ako, tapos sinend nila sa akin yung mga binili ko, tapos pa-free nila itong mga branded na mga mask. Daddy Mike and I are going to buy each other our Christmas present. Daddy?
Yeah.
We're buying a Christmas present.
Correct. Gold.
So, we are very practical pagdating sa mga presents na ganyan. So, kapag may okasyon, we make sure na both gusto namin yung binibigay sa amin para hindi masayang ba. Kaya yun. So, nandito kami ngayon, tingin-tingin kami dyan. And we'll see kung ano yung magugustuhan namin. Have you got anything in mind yet, Daddy?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes. I want to go to that restaurant. I want to get it ready.
You wanna eat first?
Do you wanna change the nappy or anything first?
Oh yeah, we have to. Maybe I'll show some baby sitting there. Here's the baby girl. Here's the baby girl. Tignan nyo, drooling for more. Big girl ni Mama. We'll change the bum bum first because she is smelling.
And then we'll go eat. And then we'll go get our stuff.
Yeah. First thing first, we're going to change this little one here. Hello? Going to change your bamba? Change muna natin ang kanyang lubot, guys, before anything else para hindi siya umiyak. Hindi siya umiyak. You wanna see your face? Taka. I know you do. There you go. There you go. Is that you? Yes, that's you. Big girl. We just finished our lunch, guys. Daddy Mike is still there. Oh, he's playing there. lumabas na kami. So, it's now 1:50 in the afternoon. And, yun, we had Italian food. So, Daddy Mike had pizza and I had a bolognese. And this one had her Didi. So, she's going to have Mama's bolognese later. Oh, yes? Tell them about it. Can you tell them about it? Maganda ang mood nito kasi nakapupo, tapos nakadede. Diba, na? Mama's beautiful girl. Is that you? Is that you? So, pupunta kami ngayon sa maybe Myers, guys. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung ano yung gusto ko. Pati si Daddy Mike, hindi rin niya alam kung anong gusto niya. So, we'll just go walk around and see kung meron kaming magustuhan. And, yeah, I think it's better this way. Kasi, para, ano talaga, happy ang Christmas. Thank you, Daddy, for the lunch.
Welcome.
What's that?
What's that?
Is this that strong one? Is it even full? Is that how they do it?
It's a shot. Don't drink it. Just let it go down your mouth.
So
You can't be like.
We'll go to Meyer first, Daddy. We'll go have a look.
Is that what you want?
I want to go to sunglass hut or something. Diyan kami nag-ano, guys, oh, di ba nag-picture kami with Santa? There. Let's go in Meyer.
We're gonna leave here by 4:30.
Yeah.
Because Paris's party's at 5:30.
Or earlier than that.
I'm just saying, like, I want to get to her party.
Are we going straight there?
Might as well. First?
The parents invited?
Yeah, of course. I'm not just going there, but I'm not gonna just bloody invade.
Oh, this is for men.
That's hideous.
Hey.
It's a shocker, but I've got the best sunnies.
Which one? How about this one, Babu? Babu, you look cool with this one.
Which one?
The middle one.
Are you serious? These like the ugliest sunglasses.
Uy!
These ones are nice. The top ones.
Maui Gym. Alam mo guys, yung hinahanap ko guys is yung Gentle Monster. Pero parang wala sa ganyan dito. Oh yeah, the one that you have. I agree. Where's that?
They're really hard to get.
Where's yours?
In the cup.
Ah.
Ray-Ban hats.
Parang wala yata guys. Ay, ito pala. Salamin. Just our outfit of the day. Kasi medyo maginaw siya guys. Pack. Ay, tulog na pala ang ating babag. Just try it, Bob. Just try quickly. We'll see if it's nice. Seems like you're going for a skydiving.
Are you just like serious or what? For me or for you?
For you.
No, Bob.
No, I'm saying Bob. It looks. They don't have Yeezys here, do they?
Got him. Stop thinking about it.
Can you put it back? Here's this one, the ring. So good. It's 1-2 and it's bagay. This is 900. This is 1,200. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Nakalabas oh. Gaya sa sayang tatay.
A few moments later.
Time check, tita and tito. It's 5:33 ng hapon. Nandito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. As you can see, say hello. Hello, baby girl. Ang sakit ng aking dila, guys, kasi may mouth ulcer ako ba? Sobrang hapdi magsalita. Hello, everyone! Alam nyo, guys, kanina, nung nandun kami sa shop, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after doon. You know why? Wala akong iba-vlog. Kasi, nung nandun kami, nagtingin-tingin kami ni Daddy Mike, nauwi lang sa wala. Yes, nauwi sa wala kasi wala kaming nagustuhan talaga. That's the problem. And, alam nga naman, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na hindi tayo bibili ng something just for the sake of, you know, having something and buying something right now. Kasi hindi naman talaga kailangan na sa Pasko talaga ibigay, diba? And also, preferably sa Pasko talaga kasi for Christmas gift. But then, you know, if wala ka naman talagang gusto for now, then, you know, you can always wait. And yung tinitingnan ko kasi is nasa online. Kasi si mami nyo ngayon, guys, is online na talaga bumibili. Parang wala na ako nakikita sa mga shops ngayon. Online shopping na lang palagi. So, umuwi kaming duguan. Kasi wala kaming bit-bit. Busy na tayo, diba? So, hindi ko alam kung kailan kami makakapunta ng shops ulit para magtingin-tingin ng mga ng mga bagay-bagay. So, yeah, not too sure kung kailan. But anyways, nandito kami ngayon sa school ni Ate Paris kasi, di ba kaninang umaga sabi ko sa inyo, last day niya. Last day niya, but at the same time, meron silang Christmas party tonight. So, nakikita na namin yung mga mommies and daddies na dumarating na. Oh. So, nandito kami ngayon para i-celebrate with them. Gusto din namin ma-celebrate ni Ate Paris para experience din sa kanya. Uy, anak ko, it's not food, honey, girl. Why are you eating mama's finger? For sure, mai-enjoy ni Ate Paris natin. So, pupunta kami doon. Daddy Mike ay kinakausap niya yung mga parents sa labas. Maybe tomorrow we can go to the shops, but yeah. There's no rush, guys. At the moment, yung aming focus is matapos yung ating packing ng ating mga box para sa ating big move to Brisbane, and the presents will come later, you know. No rush. Basta nandun na yung mga regalo namin for the kids. Hindi naman yun mawawala. Always yun. Mga toys and everything. Nakna. Bibihisan ko pa to. Nandun yung damit niya sa sa pram. Naku, change clothes na. I think you poo-poo too. Say hi. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. You wanna drive? Hey, hello. Hello. You poo-poo na. We'll get that pram. Nabihisa na natin ang ating baby Celine. Ayan, warm na ang kanyang damit. So, we are going now. Sobrang dami na ng parents na dumating. So, I just told them that we weren't able to get some presents for each other.
Yes. Because Mama has expensive taste. She doesn't want anything else. Designer or nothing.
Hindi kasi, guys, kasi pag hindi mo type, alam nga naman, di ba? Sayang lang din naman. Kaya, na lang, kailangan yung para sa'yo, yung gusto mo talaga. Knock na. Knock na. Hi, are you excited to see Ate Paris? Nana? Ate Paris will be really happy to see you. For sure. She'll be showing you off. Careful, Daddy.
A few moments later.
Can we come?
Paris, your party is your last day today.
Yeah, can we come?
Can we come? I want to share.
It's your party.
I want to share outside here. Honey, give me a kiss. I want to share outside there.
What's happening there?
There's decoration there. And stockings. and 9 ones, and there's
There's lots of things happening there.
Saturn, and Santa, and a snowman,
Yes.
and the reindeers.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
I went outside last time.
You wanna show me the decoration outside?
Yeah, that's
Okay. Tingnan nyo, ito yung daan. Ah, busy talaga. Dito sila lahat. Oh my God. Hindi ko in-expect ito.
party here, Mommy. See?
Wow, there's Santa! Wow, Paris! Wow, Paris!
That's a surprise.
Drink water, B. Show Mommy, B.
See my
Let's see the little one. Hi, give Mary a cuddle because Mary is going home. Oh, Paris is going to miss you, Mary.
Yeah.
See, tell Mary you're gonna miss her.
I'm gonna get
Are you going to miss Paris?
yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you when we come to Melbourne, okay? Come on, say how about Tassie? Tassie, give her a cuddle. Aww, sweet. Come on.
Mommy.
We'll see you. Time check tayo, guys. It is now 7:40 ng gabi. We just got home from Ate Paris' school. Did you have fun today, na? Tonight?
Yeah, at my party.
Your party?
Yeah.
Why did they have party?
Mommy, sing.
Tingnan nyo ang ating baby Celine, oh. Oh, hindi na talaga siya mapigilan ba? Honey! Hi! Hi! Hindi ko na to siya naiiwan, guys. Kasi alam niyo, every time naiwan ko to siya dito, she rolls. So, natatakot ako ba? Nak? Yes, anak. Yes, anak. Good girl. Wala ni mama, eh.
Mommy, Mary's
I am
here
mama's
too.
good girl.
Mommy.
Hang on, Daddy's calling. Hi, Bob.
Oh, good.
All good? Okay, perfect. All right. Thank you.
No, that's okay. What are you doing?
Huh? Yeah, on the floor with Celine rolling.
You take that. Did you take water and Panadols?
I had water, not Panadol.
Well, can you have Panadol?
Yeah, I'll find it.
Mommy.
Huh?
I'll find it.
Mommy.
I'm gonna call up the airport now, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Si Daddy Mike yun, guys. Nandun siya sa labas. Kasi, may nabenta na naman ako online. Siya yung pinalabas ko. So, masakit yung ulo ko ba? Sabi niya, all good daw. Ooh, yes. Very nice. Kasi, alam niyo, yun sabi din niya na, did I take Panadol na ba daw? Kasi sabi ko kanina pag uwi namin, masakit yung ulo ko. So, masakit. Sobrang dami kong iniisip, guys. Tingnan nyo, as you can see, we're very empty here now. Tingnan nyo, wala na yung couch. But very messy kasi, tingnan nyo naman, we are still in the process of, packing stuff. Pero wala na yung natin dito. Wala na yung ating, couch. Ang TV natin ay sa sahig na. Ayan. Iniwan lang namin to kasi for Christmas, for the kids. But yeah, naalis na ang yung ibang mga gamit. Yung plants ko, yan na lang naiwan. Sabi, pipick upin daw bukas ng umaga. Tapos yung mga maliliit na mga plants dyan, ayan, pick up daw. We'll see. Uy, okay lang, anak. Pasagdi, anak.
She's touching it.
It's okay. Just leave her alone, anak. Or else she's gonna cry. And also very sweet kasi tingnan nyo. So, diba last day ni, yeah, okay, where's your cookies?
I'm in a bag. The other bag is a small bag.
Yeah, go find it. So, diba last day ni Ate Paris today? So, ito yung ginawa nila. Tingnan nyo, dito kami sa sahig, oh. Binigyan nila kami nito. So, ito yung parang portfolio ni Paris ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Paris Mackenzie.
I can't find the money.
Maybe Dad's got it now. I'll study later. Tingnan, ito yung mga, tingnan nyo, oh, naiyak ako kanina ba nito? Pagbigay nila sa amin. Kasi, see, on the 10th of March 2020. So, yung maliit pa si Ate Paris natin. Ito lahat yung mga activities nila sa school. Na? Ate Paris, may this one ako. What's this one up?
120-minute wait.
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh, really?
And there's a snake.
Yeah, we'll just wait then.
Mommy, that's a new frog.
A frog?
Yeah.
And then, this one here.
Mommy.
See, cleaning the fence. This was on the 18th of June.
Mommy. Now what is
What's this one?
That's actually a hedgehog.
A hedgehog?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The other one now.
Wow.
Where's first meat? Oh, Phoenix now.
Yeah, Phoenix there. Say Gruffalo movie day, making ice cream.
Mommy.
Innovators,
Mommy,
clay
I
mouse,
can see it.
paintings.
Look. I'll show you.
Yeah. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Kasi makikita mo talaga yung ano. Tingnan nyo siya, oh. Sobrang liit pa niya nito, oh.
Mommy.
Oh, who's that?
It's a Garfield.
Oh, Gruffalo. Is she chilling? Are you right now? Hello.
It's a Garfield.
Hello.
Mommy.
Yes.
Oh.
Yoga, making lanterns, Gruffalo games, making Play-Doh. Tingnan niyo ating Ate Paris.
Where's the Garfield one?
Oh, threading and beading. Tingnan niyo si
What am I
Ate
doing?
Paris natin,
What
no?
are my hands?
Yeah, you're doing threading daw na. Ito yung mga activities nila.
Mommy, I just say what it is. I just say what it. I just
What's this
say
one?
That's a fish.
Fish, is that?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It is a fish. It's the same
No, I
as
think
that.
it's grape snack. See? It's purple.
No, it's a purple fish. A caterpillar.
Hey, tuti. Kasi sobrang mga ano
Mommy.
nila, oh, itong mga ano,
Mommy.
Paris, as we are learning about the, ano to?
Mommy, I didn't say what it is yet.
What's this?
A caterpillar. I played with pink.
Oh, caterpillar. Ano pa ito?
No,
Gusto
my
nyo, kahit
God.
yung mga maliit na mga bagay na
What's
ganito
this,
lang,
Mommy?
oh. See, they kept everything. And slime time with explorers. Where are you here, Nak?
I put slime in my dress. Small ones.
Yeah, I know.
And I change it.
There she is there. Tingnan nyo, ito siya. Roll na naman yan siya. What's this one?
A caterpillar.
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 Good girl. Oh, ito, meron pang ganito. Wow.
Another pig.
Very nice. It's very good. Parang, ano ba, souvenir. That's your souvenir, Nak, when you go to Brisbane.
I
Keep that
like
one.
it.
Oh, you like it?
It's so cute. What? What's it going like that?
No, like.
Siling ni Mami. Mama's gonna take Panadol na po. Uy, masakit ng ulo ko na. Hello. Tigil ni Mama. Sobrang ano na dito, guys. Oh, mahahawan na hawan.
Mommy, this is mine.
Is that yours?
Yeah, I like it. I have them at home. The train. You didn't give this to me.
No, okay. Sorry.
And I want it.
This one, ito ilalabas ko na yung mga gamit ni Celine kasi bukas may pipick up nito sa umaga. So alam nyo ba, yung mga bagay-bagay dito, binenta ko na lang ng very cheap. So this one, I think I bought this one for 150. And then yeah, selling it for 50. Ayan, basta lang maano na yan sila. Yung mga bulaklak ko na sobrang mahal. Ito mga plants ko guys, sobrang mahal ko binili to. Tingnan nyo, very nice pa dyan. Ito, meron pa dito, dalawa. So, may pipick up daw dyan sa kanila. So, that's good. And then, ayan, stuff here. Stuff here. Time check, everyone. It's 10 o'clock na ng gabi. This one is still awake. Where's baby Celine? Dead. Now, why do you have to do that face?
Nothing.
Like that. See? Natulog na ang ating baby Celine. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay naguhugas ng pinggan. And you know what? I'm having my mocha drink. Yes, no.
Can we turn on the TV now?
Hang on. Mommy's still talking. Sige, hindi siya makapaghintay, guys. O, gusto niyang... Who do you wanna watch?
Ryan.
No, who do you wanna watch that one? The baby.
Ayla.
Ayla? Do you like Isla? Yeah. Palagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, gusto niyang panoorin sa Isla. Anak ni Simple Eyes. Nakikita niya kasi palagi sa TV pag nanonood kami. Kaya, ayun. Anyways, hayaan niyo muna dyan sa likuran, guys. So, yan yung mga damit ni Baby Celine. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can...
Okay, bye-bye. And you can get parents new toys on Ryan. New toys are the new squishy toys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.